Hi, how are you? So, how many of you are missing your visit to your cosmetology clinic and beauty parlors? Let me share with you the basic 7 secrets for which you don't need to go to parlor or beauty clinic for getting a glowing skin. Let me start with the first secret, and that is the perfect diet in an imperfect world. What you eat makes a huge impact on your skin. So, there was a study done when some monkeys and in another study, some rodents or mice were given food ad lib, that is, as per desire. How much they wanted to eat, they were allowed to eat. And there was another group where there was 30% calorie restriction. Means the first group was served food to be eaten as per their desire, and the second group was restricted to 70 to 80% of the food what first group was eating. And it was found that the first group, which was eating as per desire, had more negative impact: obesity, degeneration of vital organs, more wrinkles in their skin, and laxity and sagginess of their skin. So the rule is calorie restriction, 30% calorie restriction. How can you achieve it? By shifting towards raw food, more of fiber like fruits and vegetables. Whenever you are taking any of your meals, your breakfast, lunch and dinner, you have to take care that at least 25% of it is raw salad. So how can you start doing further? Maybe you can start your morning with a green juice or green smoothie, and that is how you get your dose of antioxidant for entire day. So that was the first tip, perfect diet in an imperfect world. And the second tip is find your purpose of life, that ikigai. It's a Japanese word which tells about triad of passion, what you love, and excellence, what you are good into, and where for what there is a need in society, so that you can get the reward for your efforts, for your skills. So the study conducted are saying that the people who have purpose have more immunity and more livelihood. They feel less stress in tough time like this corona pandemic time, crisis time. The people who have purpose in their life, they will feel less stress. So after finding your purpose and having the perfect diet in an imperfect world, the third thing is move. You are not a tree. See, we are animals, we are not plants. So we are designed by nature to move. Keep moving, because emotions follow motion. The fourth secret is you have to respect your biological clock. There is a science behind it. When you sleep in the night, when there is dark, your body creates anti-aging hormone which is known as melatonin. It helps you to have a deep sleep, as well as it works on premature graying of hair. I mean, your hair will be black for longer duration, your skin will have more shine, more elasticity and more glow. So melatonin is the hormone now available as supplement also. You can take 3 milligram per day at bedtime. So this was the fourth secret: respect your biological clock. You are not a nocturnal animal. The fifth secret is your body needs a regular service. So when you are very much driven for your career, you are so passionate about your work, you are not getting rest as per need, you have to have a break. Once in a month you should have a break, vacation, some meditation classes, some massages, maybe once in a week. So that is going to give a very powerful impact on your rejuvenation power. So that was the fifth secret. And the sixth secret is, when your car is getting service and it's moving smoothly, still it gets some dents because of your career, because of your stress. Sometimes you get some damage on your skin, those dark circles, some premature graying, some wrinkles. So all these things, when you give them denting, painting, you become excited about maintaining the basic principles. So you have to have some daily routine for your skin. Wash your face properly with the right face wash. Apply moisturizer, apply anti-aging cream in the evening. Once in a week you can go for exfoliation with homemade packs, or maybe if you have a ready-made packs like AHAs, alpha hydroxy acid, glycolic acid and salicylic acid, etc. if you have a oily skin. Then once in a month you can go for some glycolic peel or some skin tightening treatments. And then comes the last secret. So if you are thinking your features, your skin is because of your genes, if your family is having diabetes, you will also have to have diabetes. It's partial truth. The science of epigenetics has proven and has said that DNA is not your destiny. The environment, the emotion, your action, everything decides what you will have in your life. So start designing today for your life, for your future, and I cannot encourage you more to choose to design and not resign. Choice is yours, and today is the time, because nature has given you a time to reset your clock, and you can choose to go where you want to go. When you glow, everyone likes you. You excel in your career. You are growing. You feel good about yourself. So, myself, Dr. Prabha Singh, aesthetic physician, laser expert, founder of Dr. Prabha's Glow Aesthetic Clinic, and a big proponent of evidence-based lifestyle medicine. Today, I want to encourage you to invest time and efforts in your health, in your looks, so that you can enjoy your life for long, as our Veda says, Jeevayam Shardha Shatam. So you are designed by nature to live for 100 years. And just imagine, if your skin is glowing, if you are full of energy, how beautiful your life will be. Those 100 years, how purposeful, how beneficial you can be for yourself, for your society, for your family. So thank you so much, friends, for watching this video, and keep glowing. Bye bye. See you.